Okay. Today we will see one of the sales use case
Okay.
in which how we can use object oriented programming. Okay, how to
Okay.
create different classes and how to create the objects. What is the execution flow? All these details we will see. Right.
Okay.
So in this example, we have three classes. Correct.
Yes.
Product, customer,
Customer and
order.
order.
In the product class, we have two attributes, name and price,
Yes.
and it has got one constructor. Correct. So we already discussed what is the purpose of a constructor. Correct. So it will
Yeah.
initialize an object whenever you, I mean, whenever you create a new object, constructor is automatically invoked and some memory is allocated and the initial values are assigned to the object. That is what the purpose of a constructor. So in the second class, that is a customer class, we have two attributes, name and email. These are the details of a customer. And it has got one constructor. Similarly, in the order class, we have one class variable. Order ID counter is a class variable, which means it is common for all the objects.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the difference between class variable and uh, other object variables? So yesterday
Uh,
we have seen we have
yeah.
created two products, product one and product two.
Product two.
So each product has its own name and quantity and price, other details. Correct.
Yes.
So whatever values we are storing inside an object, they are only pertaining to that particular object. Okay.
Yeah. This class variable will be uh,
It is a common variable.
common for all classes.
All the objects will share the same variable.
Same
Okay,
way.
I'll give you an example and how it is accessed by the objects. Okay,
Okay.
then let us see the order class. We have a class variable, that is a order id counter, then one constructor. Inside the constructor we have a customer, product, quantity, order id. Okay,
Yeah.
so now if you see customer and product, these are the objects, they are not the attributes. I mean, we
Attributes.
can say they are the attributes of an order class, but re- uh, actually they are the objects. Correct.
Yes.
Customer is an object of a customer class, product is an object of a product
Product.
class. Okay, so first let us understand how the objects of product and customer are being used inside an order. Okay. So in general, if you create any order, the order should have the details of a product and a customer. Correct. So that
Yes.
is the reason why inside the order class we have used customer and product. Okay.
Okay.
So along with the constructor, we have one more member function, that is a total amount.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let us see how the objects of other classes are being used in the order class. Okay, what will
Okay.
happen after executing the following statements, like we are creating product, customer, and
Yes.
other statements we have. Okay, I'll go through one by one. Okay, so let me open Excel. See, first I'm creating a object for a product class. I'm creating an object for product class. Okay. P is
Oh,
equal to product of mouse comma 100.
100.
Okay. So when we are creating an object for product class, what will happen? Internally, it will invoke the constructor of a product class, right? So
Yes.
now P is the name of the product, okay,
Yeah.
and we are passing mouse and 100 as a parameter
Parameters.
to the constructor. So name and price, these are the attributes of a
Attributes of the
product
product.
class. So what is the value of a name? Mouse.
Mouse. And
What
its
is the price
price?
value?
100.
100. Okay. So this is what stored inside the
Class
object,
parameter.
correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the next one, next statement is customer. We are creating an object for customer.
Customer.
So what are the attributes of a customer class?
Name
Name,
and email.
email. Okay.
Yeah.
While creating an object, we are passing two values.
Two
Kishore
values.
is the name and email ID we are
And
passing.
email.
Okay.
Yes.
So here inside the name Kishore is stored and email ID is equal to abc at the rate gmail.com.
Yeah.
So these are the values that are stored inside the object C. Okay. Now after this we are creating an object O for order. Correct. So
Yes.
this is a object O for order class. We are sending three features. I mean three parameters we are sending. What are those?
Uh,
C,
E.
P and 10.
Yes.
Right.
C.
C, what is C?
Customers.
Customer, product
Product and
and a value we are sending. Correct.
yeah.
So in the constructor, C is assigned to customer, P is assigned to product,
And product.
and a 10
10
is
is
assigned to quantity.
quantity.
Right. So now
Yes.
C is stored in customer of an object. Correct.
Yes.
This is object. Now customer and
Product.
product we have,
Yes. In quantity we have.
and quantity we have. Then order ID,
ID.
order ID.
Yeah.
So these are the object variables or instance variables we can say, right?
Okay.
So along with instance variables, we have one more variable. So what is that? That is
Class variable.
class variable. This is a class variable. Okay. So what is its initial value? 1. Correct.
Yes.
So now when I pass, when I create an object O for order class, we are sending customer object, product object, and 10. So now
Yes.
C, what C indicates?
Customer.
This is the C.
C.
Correct.
Yes.
Similarly, we have product. P
Product.
means these are the values.
Yes.
Then quantity 10
Is
we have taken. Then what
yeah.
is order ID?
1.
Order ID
E.
is equal to order dot
Not.
order dot
Not.
order ID counter. This is a class variable. Okay. So
Yeah.
every class variable, one second. every class variable should be accessed with the help of a class name, correct?
Yes.
Order is a class name.
Class name.
Order ID counter is a class variable, so we should access this variable with the help of class name.
Class name.
So that is the reason why we have written this as order dot order ID counter. So what is initial value of order ID counter?
1.
1. So in the order ID, 1 is stored, correct?
Yes.
Then we are incrementing order ID counter by 1, correct? Order
Yes.
dot order ID counter plus equal to 1, which means we are incrementing it.
Yes.
So now this value becomes 2, correct?
Yeah.
Then we are invoking O dot total amount. O dot total amount. So this function will be invoked, correct?
Yes.
So inside this function, what are the statements we have? Product dot price.
That price.
Product dot price into
Into
self dot
quantity.
quantity. Okay. So self dot product dot price. What is self here? Self is O.
Itself.
O.
Yeah.
O is self. So O dot
Product.
product dot price.
Price.
Correct. So this is your object. O is your object. Correct. O dot product
Okay.
dot price. This is 10.
10.
So here this is equal to 10. Correct. Then self dot quantity. What is the self dot quantity value? It is 10.
10.
So now what is price? It is 100, right? Price is
Yeah.
100. Quantity is
Quantity
equal
is
to
10.
10. So now we are multiplying these two. So 1000 will be returned.
Yes.
Correct. So here the output is 1000. Let me run this. First we are creating product, then customer, then we are displaying the total amount. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I want to do is I want to display complete details. What is a product name? What is the price? Who is the customer? What is his email ID? Okay.
Okay.
Then what is order ID? All these details I would like to display. So for that I can write define display details of self. Print first, let us first display the order ID. Order ID. What is your order ID? Self dot
Dot order.
order ID. Correct. Then print uh, product name. First we will display product name. Product name. How can you get the product name here?
Self dot product dot
Self dot
product dot
product
name.
dot
Name.
name. Then product has a price also. Correct.
Yes.
Product price. it should be self dot product dot price.
Price.
Then customer details I want to display.
Yeah. Customer.
Customer
Mm.
name. Then this time it
Dot
should be
customer
customer dot name.
name.
Here customer
Email.
email. So this is a function we have created.
Yes.
Now I should invoke this function with the help of an object o dot
Display details.
display details. So these are the details. Product ID is one, product name, product price, customer name, customer email. Okay. Now let us create one more order. Order 2 is equal to order
Of
of
C, comma customer.
C1,
Okay.
comma P1, comma quantity maybe let me take a 50. Okay.
Okay.
Now first I should create
Objects.
object. Maybe let us consider the same customer has purchased multiple products. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll go with the same customer. Now this customer has purchased different product, right? Product of this time monitor. Let us assume it is 5,000. Okay.
Okay.
So now after executing this statement,
Okay.
P1 equal to product monitor
Monitor.
5,000. What will happen? One more product will be created here with the
Yes.
name
P1.
P1,
It's name and
name,
price.
price. What is the name?
Monitor.
Monitor. Its price
It's
is
5,000.
5,000. Okay. So then after we are invoking
Set order to
order 2 of order C P1 50.
50.
So order 2 is created. Order 2. Inside order 2 we have
Customer.
customer,
Product 1.
product, quantity,
Quantity. Order ID.
order ID. Okay. So now customer is C. That is what we are passing. Then product is
P1.
P1. Quantity is 50.
50.
What is order ID? Order
Uh,
ID inside the constructor what we are writing order ID is equal to
order
order
ID
dot
plus
order ID counter. Now what is the current value of order ID counter?
2.
2. Correct. So
Yes.
this value becomes 2 now.
2.
Correct.
Yeah.
Then after that we are incrementing
Plus
order
1.
ID counter value. Correct.
Yes.
So now 2 becomes 3.
3.
So if you observe here, order ID counter is a class variable that is being accessed by order O and order
On
O2.
board.
Correct. So what you need to understand here is the class variable is common to all the objects. Correct.
Yes.
Order ID counter is common to all the objects. Order order O2, they are all using order ID counter, which is common to all the objects. But if you see the instance attributes, customer, product, quantity, order ID, they are different. Okay, they are independent of other objects. Correct. So these are the values that belongs to order O. These are the values that belongs to order
Order
O2.
2.
But both the orders, order O and order O2, they are accessing the same class variable. This is accessing this variable, and order 2 is also accessing the same
Same
variable.
variable.
Okay. So from this example, you should understand class variable is common to all the objects. Whatever current value it has, that is access to all the objects. Okay, that is shared to all the objects. So now let us go back to the program. If I invoke total calculation function O2
The
dot total,
total amount.
so this is the total amount. Okay, now I would like to see what are my details, order details. For that, I should invoke O2 dot
Dot
display.
display details.
If you see product product details are different,
Yeah, customer
order
details.
ID is different, but customer is
Same.
same, because while creating object 2, I have passed same customer. Correct.
Yeah.
You just understand this program, what we have done. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll clarify it. Let me revise it. I have created two classes, product and customer, and inside the order class we are using the details of product and customer. Okay, so this is where we are using the objects of other classes inside the order class. Correct. And along with this, a new concept we are introducing here is a class variable. Okay, which is common to all the objects. And the way we should access a class variable is with the help of a class name, order dot order ID counter. Okay, then we have two member functions, total amount, display details. Inside the total amount, we are calculating the total amount of an order. Then inside the display function, we are displaying the details of the order. So the order details includes order ID, product details, and customer details. Okay. So now here I have created an object for a product, an object for a customer. Then in this statement, we are creating an object for order class. For the order class, we are passing two objects, product, customer, and quantity.
Con.
Then the here we are invoking the total amount function. Then display function. Okay. Then we extended this to second order. Right. Now you tell me, if I create one more sorry, one more object, uh, customer 2, I'm creating customer of Rani, and
Email ID.
email ID. rani@gmail.com. Okay.
Okay.
Now I want to create a order 3. Order 3 equal to order
Order
of
of
uh,
customer
first
seat
customer details I should pass C2,
to.
and same product details I am using. Maybe let me use P1. Then this time I have ordered a 70,
Okay.
quantity 70. Okay. So these are the details. Now I'm directly invoking display method. Now just tell me what would be my output. So in the output we are displaying product ID, I mean order ID, product name, product price, customer name, customer email. These are the details we are displaying. Okay.
Okay.
Now if I execute this statement, what would be my output?
So uh, the output will be like order ID is 2,
Order ID would be 3.
3.
Hmm.
Product name will be Rani.
Product name P1 I am using. What do we have inside
Even
P1?
monitor.
Monitor
Monitor है
5000.
yeah,
Then customer name
Rani.
Rani, and customer email
Rani.
rani@gmail.com. Okay, so let us see. So these are the details. Okay,
Yeah.
so after executing this statement again, this would be incremented to 4. So
Oh,
for the next order, automatically order ID would be taken as 4. Okay.
okay.
Any doubt in this example? So now I'll give you a simple task. You just um, note down this example. Okay. So just try to modify display details function, which also includes total amount along with order ID, product details, customer details. I would also like to include total amount detail, right?
Yeah. So I have a doubt here. If I
Yes.
want to include this total amount into the display,
Hmm.
then I have to invoke total amount function
Hmm.
before displaying the details in this like in a product too, like in a recent customer like Rani.
Hmm. You just tell me whether it will
Okay.
work or not. Okay. Total amount.
Amount.
So here I should invoke the total amount function, correct?
Yes.
So you should write self dot
Self dot
total
amount.
amount. So let us try it. Total amount is displayed. Okay.
Okay.
Product P1 for order 2. These are the details.
Details.
Similarly for order 3. These are the details. Okay. Now in this extension, we also learn how to invoke a member function from other member function. Correct? Total
Yes.
amount is one member function. Display details is another member function. In the display details function, we are invoking total amount function, correct?
Yes.
So whenever you want to invoke any member function, you should use self dot function name. Total
Function.
amount is a function name. Okay. Similarly, if you want to access any variable, any attribute, you should use self, because the self refers to the current object. Okay.
Okay.
So I think we can stop here. Is just to practice a couple of more examples of similar kind, and
Okay.
let me know if you have any issues. Okay.